So, grab a glass of water, and let's dive into why this simple drink could be a game changer for your health. First and foremost, let's talk about the potential healing properties of mixing baking soda with water. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile ingredient used for centuries for its medicinal properties. When combined with water, baking soda creates an alkaline solution that can help neutralize acidity in the body, making it a powerful tool for maintaining overall health. One key benefit of drinking water with baking soda is its impact on kidney health. By maintaining a healthy pH balance in the body, this drink can support the proper functioning of the kidneys and help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Additionally, the alkalizing properties of baking soda may also aid in managing high blood pressure, a common health concern affecting millions worldwide. Furthermore, this simple drink can also offer relief for various digestive issues. If you struggle with constipation or acid reflux, drinking water with baking soda on an empty stomach may help alleviate symptoms and promote better digestion. The alkaline nature of baking soda can neutralize excess stomach acid, relieving heartburn and indigestion. In addition to digestive health, incorporating this drink into your daily routine may support weight loss efforts. Baking soda has been shown to help regulate metabolism and promote fat loss, making it a valuable tool for those looking to shed extra pounds. Starting your day with a glass of water and baking soda kickstart your metabolism and enhance your weight loss journey. I appreciate your support. How to use baking soda to lower creatinine levels. Incorporating baking soda into your daily routine may be a simple yet effective solution to support healthy kidney function and lower creatinine levels. In this segment, we'll discuss using baking soda to promote kidney health and reduce creatinine levels. However, always consult a healthcare professional before significantly changing your diet or health regimen. The recommended dosage of baking soda for lowering creatinine levels is typically around 1/2 to 1 teaspoon mixed in a glass of water. However, baking soda is highly alkaline, so starting with a small amount is crucial, and the dosage should be gradually increased as needed. Consuming this mixture on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning, can help maximize its benefits and support kidney function throughout the day. Before embarking on a baking soda regimen to lower creatinine levels, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. While baking soda is generally safe for most individuals when used in moderation, it's always best to seek guidance from a medical professional to ensure it's the right approach for your specific health needs. While baking soda can benefit kidney health and lower creatinine levels, it's essential to be aware of potential risks and side effects associated with its use. Consuming too much baking soda can lead to alkalosis, a condition characterized by excess alkalinity in the body, which can disrupt normal bodily functions. Additionally, individuals with high blood pressure or heart conditions should use caution when incorporating baking soda into their routine, as it can affect blood pressure levels. By following these guidelines and consulting with a healthcare provider, you can safely explore baking soda's benefits for supporting healthy kidneys and lowering creatinine levels. Stay tuned for more insights on how this simple ingredient can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. Managing high blood pressure with baking soda. In this segment, we'll explore the potential benefits of using baking soda and water as a natural remedy to help manage high blood pressure. Discover how this simple yet powerful combination can support cardiovascular health and contribute to better blood pressure regulation. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your health routine. Baking soda, when mixed with water, can positively impact blood pressure regulation due to its alkalizing properties. By creating an alkaline environment in the body, baking soda may help balance pH levels and reduce acidity, contributing to lower blood pressure. This natural remedy offers a gentle yet effective way to support cardiovascular health and promote overall well-being.